What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing analysis on SENS stock. So first of all, let me give you brief information about this company. Senseonics Holdings Incorporated engaged in the design, development and commercialization of implantable continuous glucose monitoring system for people with diabetes. Its primary product is the brand Eversense, a glucose monitoring device which includes sensor, smart transmitter and mobile application. So it is a medical company, medical innovative company, and it is a high-tech company in the medical sector. Its total market cap is right under $1 billion, and here we have 10 bullet points that you have to know before you invest in this company. Senseonics Holdings is the pharmaceutical company behind the Eversense CGM system. It is a sensor for patients with diabetes that is placed under the skin. The sensor is long-term and the rechargeable transmitter is placed above it to receive data. Patients can go for 90 days at a time when using the device to monitor their glucose levels. The sensor and transmitter also work with an app that patients can download on their smartphones. This app allows for real-time tracking of glucose levels with updates every 5 minutes. Senseonics Holdings is also working on a 180-day version of the Eversense CGM system. However, it's waiting for approval from the US Food and Drug Administration before it can launch the product. Its application approval was delayed due to the current focus on applications related to the novel coronavirus. Even so, the company said earlier this week that it expects the application to be approved by the end of Q2 2021. So, in second quarter, it is a date where it should be a new spike for this company. And here is some news. Here is their website, and we have two news, recent news, one dated on January 28th and the second one dated on February the 1st. So first of all, Senseonics Holdings announced closing of $115 million bought deal offering of common stock and full exercise of the option to purchase additional shares. And the second one, Senseonics announced initiation of European commercial efforts by partnering Ascendia Diabetes Care. And this is the second news. And as you can see here, Senseonics Holdings, a medical technology company focused on the development and commercialization of long-term implantable continuous glucose monitoring systems for people with diabetes, today announced that Ascendia Diabetes Care has commenced sales and marketing activities for the Eversense system in key European markets as of today, as part of their strategic partnership announced in August 2020. So, on top of that, we have some additional attention from the Wall Street bets, but I think it's out of their scope because the short level of the stock is only 34%, roughly 34%. That's why I think it's not so interesting for Wall Street bets. Nevertheless, we have this type of chart. So, before we jump into the analysis itself, or to the technical analysis I mean, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. In this case, you won't miss next episode, and this helps me a lot. So, as you can see here, let me give you this type of breakdown according to Elliott wave. This is the first wave, second, third one, and here is the fourth, and fifth is to be determined. And here we have a triangle formation. Let me show you this pattern. This is first support, this is resistance, and the second one is support. As you can see here, we are squeezing this triangle, and most likely it will break to the upside. Some of you might have some kind of this formation, several days ago, but I think it is irrelevant because usually this breakout have a huge volume, huge spike in volume, and we don't have it. That's why I think, in my personal opinion, this is the type of this triangle, and it will break out somewhere here. So let me show you again this breakdown, and we have the third wave, so we can measure retracement level for the third wave only. And here we hit the most probable zone of turning over the price. It is a golden pocket, it is a range between 0.618 and 0.65 region, and we are on wave 4, and so we can have a trade, or I think it's a good it is a good company to invest in, and it all depends on your choice, but let me turn off these two tools, and I will project possible target for the fifth wave. So here it is. It is the first target zone and the second one. And here is the setup. Basically, you have to be cautious because of some attention from the Wall Street bets, and it's up to you if you want to invest in this company or just trade or just try to gamble with this company with Wall Street bets. It's total up to you. And here you can have some accumulation zone. It can be different from depending on your entry price, and you can ladder your buys down during almost it doesn't matter how deep can you retrace, can you accumulate your buys. It might be somewhere here, 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 and your stop loss have to be at the bottom of this previous pivot point. So I think it might be somewhere here your entry point, and if you just take a position from this level, you can short your stop loss order at the level of this support. As you can see here, we are bouncing back from this point, so I will draw another line. I will draw another line in here and make it green. That will indicate the support zone, and you can have this type of stop loss. And first target will be at the level of 0.5, around $4.50. It's not a strict price, it is a range. Always it is a range of price. And the second entry point might be the same, with the same stop loss, and possible profit of 85%, and the risk to reward ratio is 7:1 with the potential loss of 12.27. If you enter your position a little bit lower, so you can have this type of stop loss, and even in this case you have 3.21 to 1, and your laddering up allows you to make your entry price even better, and that's why you can reduce your potential losses, and you can make your potential profit higher. So with that being said, I think it's all for this stock, for this company. Please be extremely cautious and subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. See you next time, bye.